In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate multiple Google Slides elements. If you've ever wanted your text, images, or shapes to appear with a bit of flair, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to set that up so your slides flow smoothly and look polished. Start on the slide you want to animate, then click the first element you want to bring to life. This could be a text box, a picture, or any shape. With it selected, open the animation controls. Depending on your version of Google Slides, you'll find this by going to Insert and choosing Animation, or by opening Format and selecting Animate. Both options lead you to the same motion panel, which is where everything happens. Once the motion panel is open, choose an animation type and adjust the speed. Common entrance effects include fade in, fly in, and zoom in. The speed slider controls how quickly the action plays. If you're not sure what looks best, start with a gentle fade in at a medium speed. You can preview changes right in the panel and adjust until it feels natural and not distracting. To animate multiple elements, repeat that same process for each item on the slide. Click an element, apply an animation in the motion panel, and set the speed. Work through them one at a time so you stay organized and intentional about the sequence and timing. Now, control the order and timing using the start condition. You have three options. On-click means that animation will play when you advance during your presentation. After previous makes the animation start automatically once the one before it finishes, with previous plays at the same time as the previous animation. Use these strategically. For example, set your title to on-click so you control when it appears, then set supporting points to after previous for a smooth flow, or with previous if you want related items to come in together. When you've assigned animations to each element and set their start conditions, it's time to test. Click Present to enter slideshow mode and watch how everything appears in real time. Pay attention to pacing, readability, and whether any movement feels too fast or too busy. If something seems off, exit present mode, return to the motion panel, and tweak the type, speed, or start condition until it matches your intended rhythm. By carefully selecting each element, applying animations through the motion panel, and using the start condition to choreograph the order, you'll create a clean, professional sequence. Preview, refine, and you're ready to present with confidence.